Hello everyone, I will present to you new Mi Mix. It's a really good phone. It's premiumly packaged. As you can see, the letters here are golden. It looks really nice. The package was well protected, as you can see. There are some things here I want to show you. So this is a USB-C cable, and here we got our charger. The charger feels solid, and with this package you get this, and this is adapter for European Union for our outlets. And also, this can be a little tricky. Yeah. This is our mobile phone. It's Mi Mix. It looks really nice. Yep. So I hope I showed you everything you want to see.